location of Marie Antoinette's execution.
And they're setting it up for the Olympics.
We're in line to go into the Louis Vuitton. It's the larger store out here. There is a line.
The qualifications is to have a maximum $10,000 limit on your credit card.
Okay, so we need to get out of line. This is today's excursion. We're doing a riverboat cruise.
Oh,
That should only last like maybe like an hour. And today's our low-key day. The girls are gonna go shopping and we're gonna take naps. We gotta be up really early tomorrow, like at 5 a.m. So we're going to do our grand finale today. Oh, it's so early in the morning. We're gonna go to the catacombs to meet our tour group, and then we're gonna go travel about 2 hours out, and we're gonna go look at a couple different palaces. Okay, guys, are you ready to go?
Yes.
It's airport morning.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made of all that we find.
We officially have made it home. It's like 2 o'clock our time in Paris.
No, it does feel weird.
Everybody is excited to see each other.
Kaylee and Beck are gonna try macaroons from Paris.
Yes, straight from Paris.
Oh, wait,
Yes.
hold on. I have to get a video of this
Louis
too.
Vuitton store.
Wait.
Straight from Paris.
Yes, straight from Paris.
Beautiful, fresh, amazing looking
Yeah, we
macaroons.
actually just bought them.
That's chocolate.
Pick
Do you
your
really
flavor.
want chocolate? Chocolate is what I'll always go for first.
I like lemon.
Oh,
you always
need to go
with the light colors.
Where's the lemon?
There's no lemon, so let me tell
Well,
you.
there's a
This
strawberry
is
lemon.
pistachio. This one's like a yogurt.
Okay, I'll try this one.
There's a pink and yellow one that's lemon.
This
Okay.
one. Cheers. Whoa. No artificial? No, nothing.
Very, very, very good.
But you love it?
Wait,
Isn't it amazing?
it doesn't taste like
Very
plastic.
It doesn't.
It's very different from here's macaroons.
It's not the way they make them here.
It doesn't taste like hormone enhanced.
Happy 4th of July. Here in America, we're celebrating Independence Day. So we made it to our dock last night. We're at Pier 66 in Fort Lauderdale, and it's about 8:30 in the morning on July 4th. So I've been cooking up a storm for 4th of July.
Yeah, they were
Having spaghetti
African Cape buffalo. African Cape buffalo.
and cheese tray, bread, and we're about to eat.
Hey vlog! Today is a wonderful day. We went to the beach and we're celebrating 4th of July and we're eating some amazing pasta.
So we're back from our evening in Fort Lauderdale, and we thought today was the best day to take a break because we are literally going out with a bang. And we have been running hard since the beginning of this year with our new YouTube channel, We Are Out to Discover, and we have decided to take a break from our vlogging for the next couple weeks while we gear up to go to Barcelona and spend 10 months on the Mediterranean. So stay tuned for new episodes coming in 2 weeks, and until then, I hope you get out there and discover.
Stay
Bye.
tuned.
We'll see you till next time.
made of, baby, that's made